Here's Frank at work. Here's Kelly at work. Work, work, work.
Yeah.
This is what Kelly does. Let's get her attention.
Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. What, Frank? Hey. Whatever.
Sorry, Kel. Had to get you on camera. Okay, Kel.
I heard
Give us.
you over there talking. I'm like, who's he talking to?
Give us the interview. How are you doing
I
today?
didn't have any makeup on, Frank.
Well, it's okay.
It's not okay.
It's
Who are we
okay.
sending this to?
No
Mom,
one. Mom and Dad. We're sending it to national television. Everyone in the world and your boyfriend are going to see this later on.
There's nothing in there.
That's okay. He's
So this is Kelly's world. Here, Kelly, get Frank's world.
How am I supposed to do it?
Just point.
And do the red thing.
Yeah.
Oh, is it taping right now?
It's taping.
Oh wow. Okay, I can see you.
So,
Okay.
what are the questions?
I don't know. Question of the day.
Oh, okay.
Is your
When you do
face
this,
supposed
you
to be in
should
that little
recommend
square?
it says text, just select
No, it
it,
doesn't
not
matter.
grid,
Oh,
No, real question.
and you need
that's what I'm
to
doing. A real question?
take out something.
What are your goals, Frank? Come
Okay,
on.
no, it's
I don't
being
know.
done a different
You don't
way,
know?
but when you put it
What do you want to
in,
do for your future?
it will
What are
not
your
allow
plans?
you to edit the phone, is the problem.
Gonna get married, gonna have kids, gonna have a family?
And that's what happens.
Gonna work on your computer all your life?
Work on the computer.
Okay.
That's
It's,
what you're gonna be, a
it's something
computer
that's
man?
in the
Yeah,
computer
get
system,
mine.
it's not something you do. The phone number should have been 503-351-1546.
She's kind of hiding in the tree,
Still waiting.
in the plant.
Hey, mine.
She's on the phone. She's drinking her coffee or her latte. Whatever it is.
Mine.
Okay. Hi. Oh, she was a good sport about it. Okay, Frank. My eye's getting...
Scott is our help desk contact today. I'm going to lose the battery.
I'm helping Easy Act.
Okay, he's working on the puzzle.
She just sent out another
Yeah, let's get closer to you now. See what you do. The way. Oh yeah.
Oh, Jay's the master at it.
Hey, Bev.
That really
Jeff. Jeff.
Hey, you. Did they get you guys pizza?
Kelly, I have a question.
Okay.
$25 back, that's just for brand new customers, right?
That's what's
Yeah.
in there.
So if somebody's consolidated, they don't get back.
Oh, yeah. It's a new account. It's a new account, yeah.
Yeah, I had a customer today whose last name was Bjork.
Like
Oh, I just had one.
An existing customer
Oh, the
called
same
us,
one.
they don't get it.
Is it just Bjork or more than
New
Bjork?
account
Well,
means
last
that
one
it's
was
going to be a
Bjork.
new account for us. They're buying a new phone. They could have,
They already have one phone.
yeah, they're getting another line of service though, so they qualify.
Pete.
Tonight?
I'm not saying too much about them.
Okay. Well, most of these are probably not in use.
What are they? Oh, no.
Camcorder.
No, they don't be done.
Oh, okay, okay.
They're old. If you don't get them,
Hey, you gotta come see this. You gotta do this.
This is Amy.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, stop.
Oh, stop.
Oh, stop.
Oh, stop.
Oh, stop.
Stop. What's your last name, Randy?
Okay,
Darren.
Wes? You gonna activate?
Coffee cup and show Frank what you've been doing all day long.
Who's Frank going to be showing this to?
Sure.
You can't show it to anybody that I might get
Yeah.
fired for.
I promise. Oh, really?
Yeah, it's been one of those days, Frank.
No, you haven't. There's not like almost none left, and
Smoking today,
See you.
she hasn't taken break. Oh,
Thanks
I
for all
see.
this. This is Darren. How can
So that's the true Dana.
See,
Okay.
Frank's been doing it too, so he can't say anything to
This is
anybody.
Roman.
I'm on camera doing it.
This is 1 mile. You filmed it, great.
She's trying the puzzle.
And she can't get it, everyone.
I did it.
She did it.
And I put it back together again.
Uh-huh. Can't get the puzzle.
She can't get it. She's getting frustrated.
Hi.
Get ready to maybe break something.
And this is Scott. Scott. You're on.
Oh, it's Japanese.
Yeah.
So how do I connect it? Is it
Well, are the seconds moving? Or are the seconds stationary?
8 seconds, 9 seconds?
Then it's recording.
All right.
Set. Bye.
You must drink more coffee. Yeah, I think there's one.
What is the billing name that you have on your agreement?
Oh my gosh.
SA number.
Insert with a free text that said basically like kind of, well, I'm explaining about the Boeing orders, that they said like, by the way, you know, you can get this great deal.
So Keith, your new gift, man.
Let's get you on camera. This is Jennifer Evanson. This is for fun. It's just to like record the people at work.
I want to watch
did
it.
tell them the truth that we just teased a lot that, you know, because we didn't say any bad things about you.
I know, because there's nothing bad about me, because I am perfect.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
this perfect.
I'm covering up the microphone now. I can't hear that.
Perfect.
Is this to call the revenge tape or bribery
I am
tape?
the most
No, it's
fabulous.
just-
bribery
Hey,
tape. Yes, it is.
I'm talking. Now you got me going. I'm
Yeah.
fabulous,
Uh-huh.
wonderful.
Emotionally and financially secure, you know, non-codependent, not dysfunctional.
Is that true?
She's
Sure.
speechless.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll believe you.
You heard it right here, you know,
Right.
from out of Jen's mouth.
Row, still the same.
She's perfect, she says.
I'm perfect. So what
She's
else do you
perfect.
want?
That's all we need. That's all we
Conceit
want.
is a fault and she has none, right?
And Frank loves me to death.
Oh, I think the camera stopped working there. There you go.
They never match.
Oh, they don't match.
How do I hold this?
Making a statement.
Let me hold it for you. So, this is the puzzle that my mom sent me
Uh-huh.
in the mail.
Your mom
This is-
sent that to
This
you.
is the,
Exploding bottle.
what's it called?
Irish cream
Cream
stuff.
something?
Shannon version.
Is there alcohol in that?
Oh, yeah. It tastes very good.
But the bottles have been breaking on people.
Yeah, and that's why I have to
Really?
leave some pressure off of it.
Drink some more, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So,
Can I have some of that?
You're the interviewer. You need to ask the questions.
And you got your last year's Christmas present on?
Oh, yes, this is the Christmas present that Paula McDonald gave to me last
Uh-huh.
year.
And too bad this wasn't color. You could see
It is
Frank's.
color.
Well,
The viewer's not color.
oh,
But yeah, these are my socks.
they never match, ever,
Never match.
ever,
What
ever.
hospital did you borrow the scrubs from?
I took a course.
In borrowing scrubs?
No, in surgery.
Him and Ray took a course.
Yeah,
Surge Tech or?
yeah.
Huh. Okay. Well,
Is that enough?
I don't know. Got anything else great to say?
Is it broke yet?
How much you like Jennifer?
I like Jennifer so much that I'll give her this coffee.
What kind of coffee?
It's the Christmas blend from
It's
Starbucks.
good stuff. Jingle
she want
Bell's
it?
good too.
3,
She says Frank
2.
can have it. It's okay. But if you want to give it to Jennifer, she'd love it.
I only give my gifts to people who value them. Give me my gift.
We were both friends.
Just with the pressure off.
What's the service agreement number?
I don't like recorders, damn it.
These are my coworkers. That's a belly ring.
That.
Hold on, it's not focusing yet. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Onyx.
Onyx. That'd be it.
Onyx. Onyx.
No,
Onyx.
don't show my face.
No, no.
Let's not show face.
That's a good one. That's what he's doing. This is what I'm doing.
What's Spencer's last name?
This is Chris, and she's all burned out because she sits next to Rebecca Seaman.
Are you really taking that?
Maybe.
Come on.
Maybe.
'Cause you can use that against me and I'll get my butt fired
Oh yeah?
if I say something that's not politically
What kind of things would you say that you wouldn't want to have on?
I'm not going to be dumb enough to say it right now to you, Frank.
Oh, come
When that
on.
thing's off, I might.
Come on.
Nihongo de daijoubu desu ka?
日本語で。
彼女はすごい
Here.
David Good evening, Frank. Konbanwa.
Konbanwa.
What's going on?
Well, I'm watching Easy Eyes, sort of, but not really.
I see you have like one whole order there.
Yeah, it's probably already taken. Yeah, someone already got it.
Look, I'm really steady here.
Yeah, you are.
What do you like, Mr. Rastafari tonight with those like dreadlocks?
Well, it's more like I didn't take a shower when I got up and my hair looked like I'd slept in it.
Kind of like this guy in the hat here over here.
Yeah, it's a guy trick or something.
I know. I kind of got the like guy trick with the hair up here. I got a shower.
Yeah, well, that's the thing to do when you have more hair.
Well, what are you saying? You like losing it or something?
Well, I got my hair cut. I haven't got enough to pull it back, you know.
Oh.
So I've only got like this much right now. And now it's like all pushed up.
That kind of looks cool though.
Yeah, it's kind of hip.
And where did you get that wonderful hat?
This is a hat that Paula gave me. Paula used to be an activation rep here. She gave it to me for Christmas last year.
Is this really on?
Well, yeah, it's on. You can see the seconds counting. Lower left-hand corner is, you know, you can see the...
Lower left hand?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no, it's upper right hand.
Oh.
They're a little slow from Minnesota.
Shut up. And who are you, Mr. Valley Boy? Where you come from, Reseda? East side of Ventura Boulevard there?
I was known to this company as the Token Rebel.
The token rebel who's gone nerdy, computer nerd. Anyway, this is not amusing me anymore.
This is Frank's world. There's Ed. Hey, Ed.
Yeah.
Turn around. That's Ed.
Where'd you get that?
Well, I've had it all this time. I just haven't ever gotten it out and used it.
So now what are you doing?
I don't know.
There, now
There we
it's
go.
going. Hey, check it out.
Look at Ed, he's going.
Woohoo.
Morales.
Oh, where'd you get that?
What? Here's your certificate, Mark. Enjoy. There's
wow.
just more money.
Oh, wow.
Jeff Sell, you're not here.
You got a new Christmas gift. How much money did you get?
Heidi? No. Let me have your certificates. Here, this is like my management. I'm gonna make a management video.
Great.
You better get that notarized quick.
What's that?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Look, it's direct sales support.
Casey, what are you doing?
Checking out Frank's camera he's got. There's the embassy. We'll get the dumpster at Texaco. The dumpster at Texaco.
Look, it's Tracy Spielberg.
That's right. Action. This will be the confusing shot.
Lori's, Tracy. Lori's fender she got in last week or 10 days ago.
Oh,
Even though everybody was just standing around after the
Well, I was excited, man.
turn this thing off.
How much is he looking for it?
What is that?
It's the camcorder.
Are you?
Hi.
Hi.
Check out how much a new camera costs.
Something like this would cost you like $1,000.
Yeah, that has like 10.
Wendy, what's going on over there?
Hey, nip.
You working hard?
Yeah, Santa Claus coming
You want
here.
some more orders, huh?
Hell no, I'm ordered. I'm done.
You who always takes all my orders.
I'm done. Woohoo! Did Tracy take people?
Oh yeah, he walked around.
What's going on? Woohoo! I want one of these. Okay, wait. How do I turn it off? Just click this.
This is Mark, who I sit next to.
So, my roommate.
My roommate, who I sit next to a lot.
That's right.
And this is where he sits. And
You can show a picture of my family.
oh yeah, let's see the picture of the family. This is the family. We're gonna use this for ransom purposes later.
I should label who they are, though, right?
No.
No. Is this Frank? Is it recording? It's not recording now.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it doesn't say record.
Well, the little
The little Chinese words.
No, the counter in the upper right-hand corner is moving, right?
Yes, it is. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. Very slowly.
No.
So what do we do now? This is Frank, my roommate. So take a full. You get look, and then going down to Frank's feet. There they are. And going up. And this is Frank with his new hat.
My new hat.
It's a very nice hat.
Thank you.
It keeps his ears warm.
Yes, it does.
Should we take a picture of Bev too?
Oh yeah, sure.
That's
Cheers.
Frank's computer. We're panning around. There's Bev.
That's her.
That's on the other side of the fish wall. I mean, I have to get my phone.
Oh, I'll get it. Mark's gonna get his phone.
Good afternoon. Hey, how you doing?
Okay.
Hey, Mike.
This is real
All right.
life. This is live.
What department am I in? I'm in direct sales support. Go ahead. 4-8.
This is me at work. I'm bored, Bev. This is my macro running. I'm checking phone exchanges. I've got this assignment to check all these things for Joe Joseph, all these phone exchanges. And there's about 623, actually like 580 of these things I have to check, so my macro is checking them. So it's going through that list over there, and it's pulling them all off the screen. It's evaluating them all. It's my boombox. This is my vitamins and my tea.
Hey, what's going on?
I'm making a Frankumentary. And that's my telephone stuff. And some orders. Looks like there's a phone call queue. Oh, there's a couple. And that's about it. We're going over to see Kevin and give him this disc. It's got the reseller macro on it.
You tried down 355?
Hi.
Hi.
What?
Nothing. Hi. Hi. Here, you hold this. Point toward yourself.
Why?
It's on.
Oh, is it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's even in Japanese.
Yeah.
How high tech is that?
Oh, it's just as high tech as anybody else. What? What's this drive? Your B drive?
Dude, I don't know.
Drive A does not exist. Oh man. You're connected with all these network drives. Go film Shannon.
Shannon?
Yeah.
He told me to come film you. Frank.
Frank, you know I don't like your camera. You did this to me once before. Why are you doing this? I didn't get to you last time. You're evil. Special pricing. This is Shannon.
I guess now. Oh well.
This is kind of cool.
Yeah.
So, is that good or bad?
That's bad. I get out and use it. Here's Kelly.
You read it to her.
She.